Your plants look alive right now. They are green, they are standing up, they are drinking your water, but they are not growing, they are not producing, they are just sitting there, draining everything you give them. That is what gardeners call a zombie plant. And if you are in USDA zones 6 through 10 and you planted any of these 10 vegetables this May, you almost certainly have zombie plants in your garden right now. Stay with me, because one vegetable on this list is not just failing, it is quietly setting up your fall harvest to fail too. And at the end, I will show you a zero-cost, 48-hour method that can still save some of them. Let us find your zombies right now. Here is what nobody explains about May planting. Certain vegetables are cool season crops. They were designed by nature to grow in soil below 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When soil temperature rises above that, they do not die right away. They shift into a survival response. They stop producing leaves, pods, or roots. They start preparing to flower and drop seeds instead. The plant stays green, it keeps drinking your water, but it will never give you food. It is biologically locked into survival mode. That is the zombie plant trap. Have you ever grown a plant all summer and gotten almost nothing from it? Now you know why? Here's the part that should make you angry. Every spring, the big box garden centers stock their shelves with young vegetable starts in late April and May. They go on sale, they look healthy under the store lights. Millions of home gardeners buy them, but those stores are clearing inventory. Those plants were grown for a March or early April transplant window. By the time you buy them in May, they have already been sitting in a warm greenhouse too long. You put them into hot soil and they shut down within 2 weeks. You paid for the plant, you paid for the water, you paid for the fertilizer, and you got zero food. That ends today. Here are the 10 vegetables you need to know about. Zombie 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season crop that bolts fast in warm soil. Point: do not plant lettuce in May in zones 6 and above. Why? When soil temperature stays above 70 degrees, lettuce shifts to seed production. It sends up a tall center stalk. The leaves turn bitter and tough. The plant looks green and alive, but it is done producing. How? Plant lettuce in early March or wait until late August for a fall crop. If your lettuce has a tall, thin stalk rising from the center right now, it has already bolted. It is not coming back. Zombie 2. Spinach is even more temperature sensitive than lettuce. Point: stop planting spinach after early April in zone 6 and up. Why? Spinach detects warm soil and immediately switches to seed mode. The leaves stop growing. What is there becomes tough and bitter, but the plant stays upright and green, so you keep watering it for weeks. How? Plant spinach in February or March, or wait until September for fall spinach. Zombie 3. Broccoli. Broccoli will not die in May heat, but it will refuse to give you a proper head. Point: May planted broccoli forms tiny, loose flowering clusters instead of one tight head. Why? Broccoli needs cool nights to develop a dense head. When nights stay above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, the plant gives up on head formation and moves toward flowering. You can water it for 2 full months and end up with a handful of tiny florets the size of your thumbnail. How? Start broccoli indoors in winter, or buy starts in early March. Adding more fertilizer does not fix this. Fertilizer pushes leaf growth, it makes the bush bigger, it does not fix heat-triggered bolting. Zombie 4. Cauliflower is more heat-sensitive than broccoli. Point: May heat causes cauliflower to button. That means the head forms but stops growing at the size of a golf ball. Why? Cauliflower needs consistent soil below 65 degrees. Even 1 week of May heat can stunt the head permanently. The plant stays green and looks healthy, the head just never grows. How? Plant cauliflower in late summer for a fall harvest. Zombie 5. Peas. Stop producing pods when nights stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Point: May planted peas will climb and even flower. Then the flowers drop off without making pods. Why? The plant detects warm nights and stops putting energy into pod development. You get vines with no food, then the lower leaves start to yellow from the bottom up. How? Plant peas by late March in most zones, or wait until August for fall peas. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil near your pea roots. If it feels warm, not cool, your peas are already in zombie mode. Zombie 6. Cilantro. Cilantro is a spring and fall herb. May turns it into a fast-bolting weed. Point: in May heat, cilantro bolts within 1 week. The leaves become thin, ferny, and bitter. The plant looks full and green for the first few days. That is the trap. Why? Cilantro has a built-in response to warm soil. It immediately shifts from leaf production to seed production. How? Grow cilantro in early spring or late summer indoors near a cool window, or let it bolt and harvest the seeds as coriander. If your cilantro is already flowering, save the seeds, dry them out, and use them as coriander in cooking. Or replant them in September for a fall crop. Zombie 7. Radishes. Radishes sprint to the finish line in May heat, but the finish line is the wrong one. Point: May planted radishes look amazing above ground, then you pull them and find a hard, woody, hollow root that is inedible. Why? Warm soil speeds up growth so fast that the root becomes tough before it has time to fill out properly. All the plant's energy goes to leaves and flowers instead. How? Plant radishes in March or April, or plant them in early September. Zombie 8. Kale. Now, kale is tougher than a lot of the plants on this list, so let me be fair here. Kale does not always fail instantly in May. But when kale gets heat-stressed, it can become more attractive to pests, like aphids, especially if it is already struggling. And once aphids build up on stressed brassicas, they do not always stay in one place. They can spread. That means one weak kale planting can turn into a pest magnet that affects nearby crops too, especially other brassicas. So this one is not just about poor production. It is about garden pressure. That means your failing May kale is not just wasting water. It is inviting pests into your garden that will attack your other plants too. That is the real damage most gardeners never see coming. Zombie 9. Arugula. Arugula bolts faster than almost anything else on this list. Point: In May heat, arugula becomes inedible within days. It turns extremely bitter and peppery. Why? Arugula is a 30-day cool season crop in warm soil. It goes from seedling to flowering in under 2 weeks. The leaves you want are gone almost before you can harvest them. How? Plant arugula in March or wait until September. Zombie 10. Bok choy. Bok choy is one of the most cold-loving vegetables on this list, and it brings a second problem. Point: Bok choy bolts within 1 to 2 weeks of May planting in zones 6 and above. Why? Bok choy is highly sensitive to heat. Once soil temperature rises, it bolts fast and becomes too bitter to eat. Extra problem: warm weather also brings flea beetles, which attack bok choy aggressively. You end up with a bolted, pest-damaged plant that is worthless. How? Plant bok choy in early spring or in August for fall harvest. Now here's the part that can still save your garden this season. If you already have any of these plants in the ground, do not pull everything out today. Some of them can still recover with what I call the 48-hour reset. It costs nothing and takes 5 minutes. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Afternoon shade. Take any cardboard box and cut it into a simple open-bottomed tent shape. Place it over the plant so it blocks direct afternoon sun from noon until around 5 in the evening. Afternoon sun is the primary driver of soil temperature spikes in May. Blocking it for 2 days gives the root zone time to cool down without changing anything else. This works best for lettuce, spinach, peas, and arugula. These 4 have the best chance of recovery if you act within the first 2 weeks of planting. Which plant in your garden looks the most like a zombie right now? Start the reset there first. Step 2. Morning ice cool down in the morning before 10 o'clock. Place 3 to 4 ice cubes directly on the soil around the base of the plant. As they melt slowly, they cool the immediate root zone for several hours during the warmest part of the day. Do this for 2 mornings in a row. Then look for new leaf growth at the base of the plant. New growth at the base means the plant is coming back. No new growth after 48 hours means it is a true zombie. Pull it and replant with something that loves May heat. Step 3. Know what to plant instead. Here's the good news. May is actually the perfect planting month for a completely different group of vegetables: tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, green beans, basil, sweet corn, and squash. All love the exact conditions that shut down the 10 zombies on this list. These are your May winners. Every plant on this list will thrive in warm soil and warm nights. You did not waste your garden. You just learned the most important seasonal rule in North American gardening. Most home gardeners never figure this out until they have wasted 2 or 3 full growing seasons. You're ahead of them now. Here's your one action for today. Walk out to your garden, find any of the 10 plants from this list, check for bolting thin stems, no new growth or visible pest damage. If you see any of those signs, start the 48-hour reset today. If this video helped you save your garden this season, subscribe and hit the bell. Next week, I will show you the exact planting calendar for every USDA zone from 5 through 10. You will never have to guess the right planting window again.